RNA molecules have many functions in biology, and when scientists are trying to understand the function of a new RNA molecule, an important question to ask is where in the cell that RNA is primarily located. Is it in the cytoplasm or is it in the nucleus? The cell you see here is called a monocyte. Monocytes play an important role in the body's defense against microorganisms and toxins. This cell was extracted from the blood of a healthy human donor. These images were obtained using a type of microscope called a confocal microscope. The cell membrane is stained in red and the nucleus is stained in blue. Using a technique called hybridization chain reaction, or HCR, we will find where the specific RNA is found within the cell. Zooming into the cell, in the cytoplasm, we can see the RNA in the form of a green glow. We use a computer program to mark spheres at areas where the RNA is found. This makes them easier to see. If we zoom out, we see the nucleus of the cell and the location of transcripts in the cytoplasm outside the nucleus. Now, if we zoom into the nucleus, we can see RNA located there. We can see that this particular RNA is much more abundant in the nucleus than in the cytoplasm. This information gives investigators a first clue about the types of functions this RNA might have. It also helps them choose the best techniques to further study this RNA in future experiments.